Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn HTML from the scratch. This video is for complete beginner who start the web development and learn to know how to create websites and web pages. It is the first step to know HTML.
Firstly, history of HTML. HTML was invented in 1991 by the Sir Tim Berners-Lee at CERN. And firstly, there is a language called GML. It is a markup language, generalized markup. Then it was improved version SJML, means standard generalized markup language. It is the next version of a GML, and SJML was further classified into two markup languages. First one, extensible markup language, and hypertext markup language. It is an HTML and XML. XML, a further version of XML, improved version, was an XHTML, and the improved version of HTML was HTML5, which we present version. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Here is the basic history we should know about the HTML before going to what is HTML. And now, what is HTML? HTML is a standard language. It is not a programming language. It is a markup language. It is used for creating web pages. Website is a collection of web pages, and HTML is a standard language to create web pages. It mainly wants to create structure of the web pages. Example, when we see on a website, we see text and the labels like headings, paragraphs. These are all about the HTML elements. And the styling of the web page are related about the CSS. It's nothing but cascading styles. We see further classes about the CSS, and here the HTML creates a basic structure for the web page. Without an HTML, we cannot create any structure of a web page. But in HTML, we don't have any logical programming like other programming languages, Java, Python. HTML contains only tags, which is used to create structure of the web page. And here is a sample code of HTML. The order of the code and the tags was necessary. First, declaration of code. Every element and the head tags and body tags all should be written under the root tag HTML. Without HTML root tag, we cannot execute the HTML code because the browser cannot identify the HTML code. If we mention HTML tag under, it recognizes, and the head tag, every tag should contain close tag, opening tag contains close tag, but some of the tags does not contain. Here doc type is a document type. It tells about the declaration, which type of document to the browser, and the HTML is the root element of an HTML page. And now about head tag is about, it contains meta information. The data is about data, HTML data like title and other meta information. And title tag, it is for the name of the title bar. And body tag, the data which we written under the body tag are displayed on the website content or web page contents. Example, paragraphs, images which we written under the body tag. And what is an HTML element we are discussing about? Okay, HTML element is defined by using start tag with some content and the end tag. Here is an example of a paragraph tag. P indicates a paragraph. Every element, every tag will start with the one angular brace and close with the another angular brace. Here how an example shown. So HTML element is nothing but opening tag includes and closing tag, and also it includes content. uh, it's all one element, and some of the elements does not have any content, and it is called empty elements, and these don't have the end tag. Example, break tag. This tag is used to move to the next line but does not contain any element and any meaning. And here is the lab execution, how the HTML code executed in the visual code. I have saved the file, a demo file, and I have opened by using the live server. Live server, it is nothing but a browser. The browser reads the HTML tag and HTML code and it executes. See here, I have written a paragraph tag and the head tag. We can see the browser which creates a structure and contains the two elements data. And here I used to write em tag. Em means emphasis tag. It is nothing but the text would be appears in an like italic format. Here hello, like example. Again another hello tag with the same tags. So it comes beside of the another hello tag. So to show this was about, here I mentioned the break tag. It stops the next element to continue the above element, and it starts the execution another in a next line. See how is it? Like that we can execute the basic programs in Visual Studio Code. You can use the basic editors like a notepad and save using .html and execute using the browser. So you can see the basic code, and I have written in a structure. You cannot write any HTML code without HTML root element or any body tag. If you want to display the content in the HTML web pages, you should compulsory return in HTML root element inside that nested the body tag. Hey, thanks for the watching until the end of the video. If you like the content and if you want more technical videos like this, follow my channel for more technical content like this.